Canada is on the other side, and I'm on the American side right now. You can see these rapids are moving quite fast. We'll come up here and see the falls themselves now. Looking over to the Canada side, I'm on the US side. So. See all the tourist boats down there at the bottom. Here's me at the falls. Here is Niagara Falls, Hershey Falls and Niagara Falls right now. Awesome. here I'm on top of the observation deck in Horseshoe Falls and American Falls, and the Canadian side of the Niagara Falls. Got a couple of boats going in. One's over there by American Falls. You see one at the distance. We're over there by Horseshoe Falls. American Falls is to the left. Horseshoe Falls is way farthest in the back, with steam rising up from it. And then there's Bridal Vow Falls. I think it's Bridal something Falls, but it's after American Falls. It's right to the left of American Falls. See, high up, the observation deck I was on down that way. What a view. This is walking up the side of Niagara Falls, well actually American Falls. See all the mist coming down. This is crazy. It's awesome. Try to cover my camera up a little bit. Woo. It's coming down. We're about to get soaked. These people getting soaked over here. Oh God! Woo! Golly! The water is cold. Awesome.
Oh, I'm so fun!
Whoa, here we go. Okay, now I'm on top of what is called the Rainbow Bridge, looking into Ontario, Canada, the Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. I'm looking down towards the Sky Bridge, Niagara Falls, and Horseshoe Falls, very low. Niagara Falls, baby. Ow! Canada behind me. There's the line, international line. I'm in the middle of the Rainbow Bridge. There's America behind me. Very awesome. This place is breathtakingly beautiful. Well, I'm standing up under the Rainbow Bridge. You hear the traffic whiz by me. And there's American Falls and Horseshoe Falls in the background. And you can see Bridal Veil Falls just past Horseshoe Falls. And this is in Niagara Falls, Canada now. That's the sky bridge I was on earlier. That's on the US side. There's a casino right here. And there's observation deck tower. It's a pretty neat place. This is seen, this is a view from the Canadian side. Horseshoe Falls. A lot of steam rising up from it. There's the Niagara Falls. Along with Bridal Veil Falls to the right, just to the right of it. Sky Bridge, shown earlier with observation deck. Niagara Falls at night. Can't really see the falls, but they're there. And all the Niagara Falls is lit up. Niagara Falls, US side. There's the border. I'm about to make my way back to the house. And by the way, here's me. Always have to do that. So I'm gonna plant it. Hollywood over here. They got a Hard Rock Cafe. And there's a casino. Planet Hollywood.